Hello friends, in this video, I'll tell you how we can name any object in R. So there are certain rules which we need to keep in our mind while naming any object. Object can be a vector, list, data frame, array, matrix, anything. So we will see what are the rules to give name to any object. The very first rule is a valid object name consists of a combination of alphabets, numbers, dots, and underscore characters. For example, if I am defining a vector that is v dot 1 and I am storing any value in this particular vector, when I am pressing Control Enter, you can see no error I am getting. So this is a valid way of defining a object using a dot. Similarly, if we want to put underscore in the name of the variable, so we can do that also. Say for example, if I am writing v underscore 1 and I am creating a vector of suppose some numbers. Now when I am pressing Control Enter, you can see no error we are getting. So in the console, you can see it is executed and we are not getting any error. Similarly, if I am writing the variable or the vector name as suppose v2. So say for example, I am using C function for creating a vector. So in console, you can see it has run successfully and we are not getting any error. So this way we can use, these are the valid way of defining the name of any object in R. Now, what can be the troublesome for us? Say for example, if I'm using the $sign or hash sign in the variable name, so in that case, it will not allow you or R will not allow you to keep such name. Say for example, I have written here. Now when I'm executing this, so the error is coming, object v not found. So with hash, it will not identify the name of the variable. Similarly, when I'm writing this, so again it is giving me one error. So that way hash and the $sign we cannot use while defining the name of any variable. But whenever we are using any variable name with the alphabet or the dot character, it will not give us any error. So say for example, I have written here V only. I am storing 23 in V. I am executing it. So you can see no error we are getting. Similarly, if I am starting the name of my variable with dot or period, so again you can see when I am running this, no error I'll get here. So you can see no error I am getting in the console. So that way, this way we can define the name of the variable. But if we want to define a name of any object with the number or the underscore sign, again this would be a invalid type in R. R will not accept it. Say for example, I have written here 4V. I want to create a vector here. Now I am executing it. So it is again giving me an error. Now when I am using underscore sign before the variable name and say for example, this time I am using colon method to define a vector or to create a vector. So you can see again it is giving me one error. So this is invalid in R. Now when we are giving a dot along with number before the name of any object, again R will not allow you to do so. Say for example, I have written here this dot 5V and suppose I am using sequence function to create a vector. So now when I'm executing it, you can see again it is giving me an error. So this way, these are the small things you need to keep in your mind while defining the name of your object or any variable. So this way, these rules can help us to select the name of variable properly. So friends, I think this video will help you out to understand how you can name your object in R. So with these small rules, you can easily understand and you can define your object accordingly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected for more such videos in R. Thank you.